I do understand the economic impact and the thousands of families that provide for their families because of the investment that you've made in our community.
Remind everybody of the amazing impact all of our Japanese companies have broadly on the community, but also to hear maybe some of the things that you're facing that would help your business grow if we could come together and work on these things as a team. So
Japan has been the largest investor in the US for 5 consecutive years with nearly 800 billion invested support. Now 1,000 Japanese companies have facilities in the US, creating 1 million jobs.
Japan is the top foreign direct investment country in Kentucky. We have over 200 facilities that employ over 46,000.
In Kentucky, South Central Kentucky, we have 803 associates currently with an average tenure of 11 years.
Environment, safety, security, relationship, no working on weekend, bright and clean workplace, and place company events, carbon neutrality. FTI vision is an improvement work growth and nurturing. So we created maintenance dojo, skill map. It becomes good motivation for team members. We started collaboration with Sky CTC. We got new internship pass. This year, in March, Aisan Group first electrification and battery product will start. We aim to Aisan existing technology capability to produce battery module and battery pack.